Yan mga ka-daily, we're here in Tyndall Park para i-celebrate ang simpleng birthday celebration ni Mama Pressy. This is Tyndall Park, Donutberry. So you can see the water, you can go swim there. There's a volleyball court. Siyempre masikip kasi Sunday afternoon, everybody's out, nice weather. So punong-puno yung parking lot. Yan. So dito na kami nag-set up sa corner, nakakita tayo ng space sa corner. And then binukas natin yung awning natin just in case umambon or something. So boodle fight tayo nan today with the crew. Tita Leia and everybody. Yeah.
Let's go!
So we're setting up the boodle fight.
So good.
And we'll be right back. Yo.
Yeah.
Ano, punong-puno ngayon. Late lang kasi to pero ang ganda dito, lalo na pag weekdays kasi wala ganun madaming tao. Today, Sunday, syempre. Yan.
Isn't today Sunday? Yes.
That's what I'm saying. Gutom na mga itlog.
Hi, mga is back.
Balot na si Bani.
Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Paso wala na.
One, two, three.
Stop na.
Gutom na ako kamay.
Okay, let's eat na.
Birthday.
Mamagush ka.
Oh.
Diba? Okay, let's eat.
Alright.
Baka ano, marawan, matunaw.
Hey, wash your hands, guys.
Where? The water?
Mag-wipes na lang ako.
Ito na. Ay, wala sana. Nagkulap pala. You guys eat on the floor?
Go beside Mama.
I'll be sitting here. Yay, I took a good spot.
Mama.
Did you know I'm bare feet? I take a good spot this time.
Parang ronsan ka.
Sige lang. Ayun lang kayo.
Our food. Meat. Why do we need to use our hands? You know it's really hot.
Dito ka nalagay ko
For one.
Napipisil, gusto mong lumamon, pinipisil yung tiyan mo.
Yun na. Na. Busog.
So,
Dami pang pagkain.
sobrang busog.
Daniel, say something in Tagalog. One.
Sobrang sarap. Masarap? Sobrang sarap. Malak. Malaki ang?
Malaki isda mo. Okay.
Malaki ang
Bek. Nasa vlog siya.
Ay, sorry! Cut.
Cut. No cut.
Masarap.
Raw footage.
Masarap ang tilapia mo.
Hindi, ano tawag dito? Pampano.
Masarap ang pampano mo. Sabi mo ate.
Sabi ng hotdog na ron.
Hi, Heidi, ang sarap ng pampano mo.
I think I should.
Sarap. You know what, Hyde? You know I don't want to bring anything. It's just gonna mold and no one eats there. That's why if we have
Nasaan na yung
food,
mga
they
bata?
should say eat. Nobody's eat, like our fruits.
Punta natin ang mga chikitings na naliligo by the water. Ang ganda rin ng playground dito. Ayan. Yan, ang ganda ng hangin guys. Grabe. Ayan, sige. Ang birthday celebrant.
Ma,
Ako'y namamalak na kalagaway.
lumalagpas ba?
Lumilibo kasi dati namatay ng si Riley na naman.
Ano yung batang yun, ma? Ba't naging apat ang anak ko?
Ano yun? Nado na si Riley sa dulo.
Ganda na yun. Mama, ano masasabi mo sa birthday mo, Mama?
Masaya.
Masaya. Hindi ka nagdala ng pampaligo man. Saan nakaligo ka? Hindi nga mainit oh. Ano si Pacey? Pacey! Huh? Ano, malamig? Wait lang. Yan guys, so diba? Hindi mo kailangan punta sa Wasaga Beach pag taga Bari ka. This is like 9 minutes away from our house. So he's going back again. Oh my god.
He's rinsing.
Riley, let's go. All right. Let's go, buddy. Where are you going? Riley, let's go. Come on. Where's Pacey? Pacey, where are you going?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Are you what? Are you two?
Happy second birthday!
Alright. Wala tayong lighter, so
Thank you.
yeah, ayaw.
Happy second birthday!
Second ba?
Kasi nag-stop siya sa 2. Hindi pa halawang ano na eh.
Yung exponent part, please.
1 and 2.